There are all kinds of oil available on the market. But Volvo oils are different. We put in a lot of effort to make sure our machines reach their maximum performance and capabilities. Volvo use a range of specific component and field tests to ensure that our oils are the best for our machines. We see Volvo lubricants as a design component of the machine. It's as important as the bearings, clutches and gears in reaching the optimal performance level. The lubricants must be specified carefully. We match it to the machine so it can handle the stresses placed on it during operation. Heavy loading, extremes of temperature from the Arctic to the desert heat. Volvo lubricants outperform others in terms of performance and component lifetime. The latest generation of Volvo lubricants reduce fuel consumption while retaining functional performance. This allows extended service intervals of up to 4,000 hours. This has a positive effect on performance, but also on total cost of ownership. Use Volvo lubricants.